A warm good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Pushkar Sunil Tamboli from class 8C. Today I have delivered a speech on very important topic which is future of my nation. We are very proud to live in a country like India. Have you ever wondered how is the future of our nation? In the future, India will be not recognized as a developing country, but in future India will be recognized as a developed country. In every field of study, India proved with the best, whether it is rocket launching to Mars or developing the tradition of Ayurveda. There is no doubt that in future India will be on the top, but it is in the hands of the growing youth. We should be we should respect our ideals like brotherhood, common ground, and equality, which will contribute the best future of our nation. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Damodar Das Modi is working too hard to make our country India the best. Only the work we need to make our country India the best is to work on our negatives. We should improve first ourselves to improve our nation. In future, women will be free to walk out and women will be equal to men. There will be no difference between rich and poor, and there will be no difference between social group. In future India will be free from all so bad influence of the society, and it will be free, independent, and smart. This is my dream for future of my nation. And to make our country India the best, we the growing youth of country India should be responsible for their actions and should be work relentlessly for the developing of our country. Before ending my speech, I would like to say that today India is a sapling, but tomorrow it will be a big tree. But only it needs some good nutrition and good growth. But it is only in the hands of the growing youth. Thank you. Jai Hind.